Samsung has launched several A-series phones, including the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, which we will learn about all its specifications, contents and price. I talked about the Galaxy A55 5G in a previous video that you can watch through the link in the description field. What is important is that let's go to the details to learn more about Samsung Galaxy A35. Welcome my friends and sisters to a new video in mobile world. First, the normal specifications. Start with design. The phone is made of glass for the back and the front. The side frame is made of plastic. The mobile phone is resistant to dust and water spray with an IP67 rating. Up to a depth of 1 meter underwater for 30 minutes. Phone dimensions. Length 161.7 millimeters. Width 78 millimeters. And the thickness is 8.2 millimeters. The weight is 209 grams. The phone supports 2 SIM cards, 4G and 5G. The mobile phone supports the installation of a memory card in place of the second micro SD. There is another version with a single chip with an SM. Galaxy A35 supports a fingerprint integrated into the screen and supports face unlock. The mobile phone supports NFC technology for smart electronic payment or close file transfer. It also supports the OTG function to transfer files via the charging port. The stereo phone speakers come with a microphone that isolates noise and noise while in use. As for the Android 14 operating system with the One UI 6 interface. Phone updates for 4 years of system, and 5 years of security. Galaxy A35 colors. Blue, black, light purple, and lemon. Key specifications. First, the battery. It comes with a capacity of 5000 mAh, with a 25-watt fast charger. Type-C charging port. RAM and memory. The phone comes in more than one version. The first version is 6GB RAM with 128GB internal memory. The second version is 8GB RAM with 128 internal memory. The third version is 8GB RAM with 256GB internal memory. The phone supports the addition of an external micro SD memory card in the second SIM slot. Screen specifications. The 6.6-inch Super AMOLED screen comes in full HD++ quality with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Making the screen performance fast, especially in games and heavy uses, and the brightness rate is 1000 nits. It has a protective layer for Corning Gorilla Victus Plus. Software and hardware. Processor. Samsung Exynos 1380 octa-core. With 5 nanometers manufacturing technology, the processor is energy efficient. 2.4 GHz Cortex A78 cores. 2.0 GHz Cortex A55 cores. Mali G68 MP5 graphics processor or graphics card. Cameras. Backlit. Triple lens with LED flash. The first and primary lens is 50 MP with 1.8 aperture with WA optical image stabilizer. The second lens is 8 MP ultra-wide, with 2.2 aperture with a 123-degree shooting angle. The third 5-megapixel lens is a macro camera lens for shooting fine objects up close with a 2.4 aperture. The rear cameras support HDR, panorama, slow shooting, night photography, autofocus, and scene recognition with artificial intelligence, and shooting videos in 4K quality means literally great performance for cameras. As for the front camera, it has a resolution of 13 MP with an aperture of 2.2. It supports HDR, panorama and 4K video shooting. Self's photo will take its splendor. The contents of the Samsung Galaxy A35 case. Phone. USB Type-C cable. Metal pin. User guide. Warranty certificate. Priced. Starting at $275 for the lowest version of 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. Please note, my friends and sisters, that prices may vary by increase or decrease depending on the country or markets. Each market or country has its economic conditions. So we have finished the video. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, do not skimp on our support. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook. Goodbye in a new video in mobile world.